Hello, and welcome to SISD TV News, where we deliver the latest news about the Socorro Independent School District. As we kick off the second 9 weeks, here's a look back at how we seized opportunities at the start of the 2023-2024 school year. In our top story, Socorro ISD administrators, counselors, and staff participated in the annual Walk for Success call-out and walk events.
We don't want them to miss an opportunity to get something that they've earned. You know, they're right there. They're right by the finish line.
The Student Recovery Outreach invites students who have not registered back to complete their high school education and earn their diploma.
They did all of this just to watch me graduate, which I think is really nice and really encourages me to finish, my school and get my diploma and eventually maybe start thinking about going to college, because I really never thought about going to college. That wasn't in my plans.
They're giving everybody a chance. They're helping. They're working with kids so they can get through this. You know, whatever hardship they may have, it's awesome that they work with the kids to get them through.
Team SISD hosted a Welcome to Socorro ISD event for military-connected families at the District Service Center. Families, together with their students, learned about programs, academies, sports, events, and the endless opportunities the district provides for students.
We are looking to provide information for the parents so that it helps them with the decision making regarding the programs that their children can participate in. Whether they are 3-year-olds all the way to early college, high school kiddos, we are having information sessions or tables with information for them.
It is amazing that Socorro District has come together with the different academies. As my children are getting older, it's important for me to be more involved, so it brought a lot of awareness to me so I could prepare my kids for the best opportunity going into college.
Socorro ISD received a $9.8 million grant to replace 25 of its diesel-powered buses with new electric models through a new initiative by the Environmental Protection Agency. Adding zero-emission vehicles to the district's bus fleet will help improve air quality for students and the entire community. SISD Superintendent Dr. Nate Carmen participated with other community leaders in a climate advisory press conference hosted by Congresswoman Veronica Escobar.
Part of the bipartisan infrastructure laws components deal directly with emission reduction, and we do that through school buses.
The opportunity to reduce emissions in areas where we have buses that are stopped for extended periods of time, we believe is a huge advantage. You know, we have employees, we have students, and community members who are in those areas for extended periods. So by not having the exhaust fumes, we know it'll be an immediate impact, and then of course what it does for the ozone, the overall environment will be a much longer sustaining impact.
Team SISD hosted the annual Print Those Pics cell phone photography contest at the District Service Center. SISD students and employees submitted their photos that were exhibited on the walls throughout the DSC.
People are taking pictures because it moved them in some way, and so the whole point was to get that off the camera out into the world, and we're hoping that people will be inspired by what they see, whether it's landscapes or portraitures or just silly little things of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. We just kind of want to move people, and so that's the goal, is to have people express themselves creativity.
This is awesome, and the reception behind it too. The way it's displayed, I think the students are exposed to like museum quality stuff, and the gallery they walk on it too. So it's very presentable, everything's really nice.
Team SISD celebrated homecoming festivities with parades, pep rallies, and special events to show school spirit and promote community engagement.
I think it brings out the school spirit a lot. It shows back to the community what we're all about, how we want to give back to them with our activities and with our entertainment format with our floats as well. That everyone's happy happy, showing that we're all one school at the end of the team. Whether it's different organizations, we're just one today and we're showing up for Montwood.
We see all the families and all the little kids excited to see us, so it makes us happy.
I think it brings us all together. I've never seen this many people, and it's my first time coming to this parade, and I wish I had brought all my kids so they can get candy. This is amazing. I love it.
Socorro ISD hosted a special summer graduation ceremony for graduates from the 6 SISD comprehensive high schools and Options High School. Family, friends, and faculty enjoyed a performance from the Montwood Mariachi Group and celebrated the graduates.
Today's ceremony exemplifies the hard work from every single teacher, our counselors, the administrative team, and most importantly for those kids who never gave up.
It's like a blessing. Like, my family has been doing nothing but getting up my back about graduating, and we want to go see you walking, and I just had to make it up to them, and it felt right. It was great that I was able to do that.
Pebble Hills and Eastlake High Schools hosted a special ribbon-cutting ceremony to celebrate the newly resurfaced playing field.
So the new turf, of course, has give to it, has more cushion to it, it's not compacted, and if a kid plants and makes a cut, what happens is what should happen. They don't slip and fall.
I mean, we all like it. We especially like the letters in the end zone, how it looks, especially the logo in the middle.
It's really nice to play on, really comfortable, really pretty too. I like the end zone and everything.
All SISD high schools have a new turf to include the field at the SISD Student Activities Complex.
You know, I always believe look good, play good, you know, have great things, do great things. And SISD and the superintendent and all the members here give us those opportunities to perform great.
That's our show for today. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the latest in the Socorro Independent School District. Make sure to follow us on X with the handle @Socorro ISD. Follow our superintendent, Dr. Nate Carmen, with the X handle @CarmenNate. Also be sure to friend us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Team SISD, and visit our website. Thank you again, and see you next time.